What's good, gearheads? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the ultimate guide to 25 must-have Amazon EDC pocket gadgets that'll take your everyday carry to the next level. We're talking compact, versatile, and downright awesome tools that are perfect for outdoor adventures, urban survival, or just crushing your daily tasks. Whether you're a camper, a DIY enthusiast, or someone who loves cool gear, this lineup has something for you. So grab a snack, hit that subscribe button, and let's unpack these game-changing EDC essentials. First up, the Olight Mini 2, a pocket-sized powerhouse that's about to become your new best friend. This tiny flashlight pumps out 50 lumens of bright, balanced light, perfect for finding your keys in a dark parking lot or lighting up a campsite. Just pop it off its magnetic cap for instant activation, no buttons, no fuss. It's rechargeable with a built-in USB plug that fully charges in just 60 minutes. At 55 millimeters long and a feather-light 19.5 grams, you'll forget it's on your keychain until you need it. The magnetic base lets you stick it to any metal surface for hands-free tasks, and its aluminum body shrugs off drops up to 1.5 meters. Sleek, durable, and stylish, this is EDC lighting at its finest. Next, let's talk about being prepared with the Coleman All-Purpose Mini First Aid Kit. This crush-proof metal tin is a lifesaver, packed with must-haves like latex-free bandages, antibiotic ointment, antiseptic wipes, butterfly bandages, sting relief wipes, and even safety pins. It's a compact hospital for your pocket. The embossed logo makes it easy to spot in low-light or high-stress situations, and its small size fits anywhere, your car, backpack, or home emergency kit. At a budget-friendly price, this kit ensures you're ready for minor mishaps, whether you're deep in the wilderness or just at the local park. Coleman's got your back for any adventure. Time to get sharp with the 7CR13 Mauve Steel Tonto Blade. This EDC knife is a beast, featuring a stainless steel Tonto blade with exceptional hardness and corrosion resistance, making it perfect for piercing, slicing, or tackling tough tasks. The ergonomic handle with a black coating offers a rock-solid grip, and it even includes a glass breaker for emergency situations. With a pocket clip, it's easy to carry for opening mail, cutting rope, or prepping food outdoors. The flipper opening is buttery smooth, safe for both left and right-handed users, and prevents accidental closure. Stylish, sturdy, and practical, this knife is a fantastic gift for any guy who loves reliable gear. Small but mighty, the small pocket knife gift for men is a total gem. Built with a high-quality stainless steel blade and a durable ABS handle, this knife is crafted to last through any adventure. Measuring just 3.94 inches and weighing a mere 2 ounces, it's perfect for slipping into your pocket or clipping to your keychain. Use it for camping, hiking, or everyday tasks like peeling fruit or cutting rope. Its foldable design makes it insanely portable, and its sleek look makes it a killer gift for birthdays, Father's Day, or Christmas. This little knife proves that great things come in small packages. Never let a dull blade hold you back with the Sharpel 101N6 in-one pocket knife sharpener. This multi-tool is a survivalist's dream, packing 6 functions. A coarse carbide slot to reshape edges, a fine ceramic slot for a polished finish, a tapered diamond rod for serrations, a fishhook sharpener, a ferro rod for starting fires, and a high-pitched emergency whistle for signaling help. Its durable abrasives are tested for 10,000 uses, and the preset sharpening angle makes it super easy to use. Whether you're in the wild or sharpening your kitchen knives, this compact tool is a must-have for any EDC setup. Check out the small keychain pocket knife, a stylish, ultra-portable tool that's always ready. At just 1.57 inches folded in 26 grams, it's so light you'll barely notice it until it's time to shine. The sharp blade makes quick work of boxes, rope, or small tasks, and its creative design turns heads. Clip it to your keychain or toss it in your pocket. It's perfect for home, office, or outdoor emergencies. This little guy also makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, Father's Day, or any occasion. Compact, cool, and crazy functional. The Kiyunity KK05 Mini Titanium Pocket Knife is EDC royalty. Its 7CR17 Mauve steel blade is razor sharp for slicing fruit or tackling delicate tasks, and the T6L4V titanium alloy handle is lightweight yet insanely durable. At 1.73 inches folded and a ridiculous 6 grams, it's one of the most portable knives you'll ever own. The hanging hole lets you attach it to a keychain or a carabiner, making it ideal for camping, hiking, or opening packages. With exquisite craftsmanship, this knife is a premium choice for outdoor enthusiasts or anyone who loves quality gear. Why carry a bulky wallet when you can have the Gerber Gear GDC money clip? This 2-in-1 EDC tool holds up to 5 cards and hides a 1.75-inch stainless steel blade for discreet cutting tasks. The titanium-coated steel body and G10 front plate are built to withstand daily wear, and at 3.6 inches and 2.9 ounces, it's a pocket-friendly powerhouse. Perfect for camping, hiking, or running errands, this money clip knife blends style and function. Plus, it's backed by Gerber's lifetime warranty, so you know it's built to last. This is EDC done right. For minimalist EDC fans, the heavy-duty keychain pry bar is a total game-changer. Milled from solid stainless steel, this rugged tool is tough enough to pry staples, scrape labels, or turn screws. Its compact size fits on your keyring or in your pocket without adding bulk, making it perfect for everyday carry. Whether you're opening boxes, splitting firewood, or tackling small repairs, this pry bar is all you need. Simple, strong, and built to handle anything you throw at it, this is the ultimate minimalist tool. The TerraJoy small pocket knife is a compact beast that means business. Its D2 steel blade with 50 HRC hardness is wear resistant, corrosion resistant, and crazy sharp for cutting ropes, wood, or precision tasks. At 7 centimeters closed and 59 grams, it's perfect for your pocket or keychain. The ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures a secure grip even in wet or sweaty conditions, and the smooth folding mechanism makes it a breeze to use. Ideal for camping, hiking, or DIY repairs, this knife is a stellar gift for any guy who loves practical gear. This 9-in-1 small multi-tool wrench is like carrying a toolbox in your pocket. Crafted from heat-treated stainless steel, it combines a wrench, pry tool, bottle opener, caliper, and more into a 3.5-inch, 2.46-ounce package. The hex jaw design grips fasteners tightly for one-handed operation, and the pocket clip keeps it handy for camping, biking, or home repairs. Whether you're tightening bolts or cracking open a cold one, this multi-tool has you covered. It's also a perfect stocking stuffer for DIY enthusiasts. For something totally unique, check out the Miniature Gadgets pocket knife. This thumb-sized tool comes in 7 handle styles, including natural shell, and ranges from 1.18 to 1.57 inches folded. It's not a full-size knife, but excels at opening envelopes, letters, or small boxes with precision. Each comes in a metal gift case, making it a quirky, collectible gift for EDC fans. Whether you're a minimalist or just love cool gadgets, this tiny knife adds a fun twist to your everyday carry. The 2-in-1 EDC pocket knife is a multi-tool masterpiece. It combines a sharp stainless steel knife with precision tweezers, both secured with safety locks for worry-free use. Made from corrosion-resistant stainless steel, it's built to last through any adventure. The keychain design ensures it's always with you for tasks like removing splinters, cutting rope, or opening packages. Packaged in a high-grade sliding box, it's a thoughtful gift for birthdays, Father's Day, or anyone who loves versatile EDC tools. Need to chill out? The EDC metal fidget slider is your new go-to. Crafted from stainless steel with magnets, it delivers a satisfying click as you slide it back and forth, offering tactile feedback that's perfect for relieving anxiety, stress, or even breaking bad habits like nail biting. Compact and portable, it's great for the office, school, or anywhere you need a quick fidget fix. Its metallic luster and sturdy build make it a cool collectible, and it's a fantastic gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any occasion. Everyone will want to play with this one. The Gerber Keynote Pocket Knife is a compact EDC champ that's ready for anything. Its 1-inch dual-purpose blade handles both cutting and scraping with ease, and the aluminum scales are built to withstand daily wear and tear. With a liner lock, nail nick, and removable keychain, it's versatile for hunting, camping, or everyday tasks like opening packages. At just 3.98 ounces, it's a lightweight powerhouse backed by Gerber's lifetime warranty. Whether you're a hunter or just need a reliable tool, this knife has you covered. The Millspin Rhino Bar is the ultimate minimalist EDC tool. Machined from high-quality stainless steel and heat-treated for maximum durability, this 3-inch, 1.3-ounce pry bar is a beast. Use it to open cans, remove staples, scrape paint, or even carve wood for survival shelters. It's tough enough to break glass in emergencies and slim enough to fit on your keyring without adding bulk. Made by USMC veterans, it supports skilled jobs for transitioning vets. This is a must-have for any survivalist or EDC enthusiast. This EDC pry bar multi-tool is a Swiss Army knife of pry tools. It features a heavy-duty pry bar, a bi-directional ratchet screwdriver with flathead and crosshead bits, and an everlasting magnetic pen that's fireproof, waterproof, and smashproof. With extras like a bottle opener, wrenches, and a box opener, it's perfect for camping, DIY projects, or opening packages. The removable back clip makes it easy to carry, and its sleek design makes it a killer gift for Father's Day, birthdays, or any guy who loves versatile tools. The 8-in-1 EDC utility tool is a pocket-sized powerhouse. Made from 422 grade stainless steel, it packs nail clippers, scissors, tweezers, a screwdriver, a nail file, and more into a 2.68-inch, 0.08-pound package. Its anti-corrosion build ensures it lasts, and the orange design makes it stand out. Perfect for camping, hiking, or quick fixes at home, this tool is a great gift for birthdays, Christmas, or anyone who loves being prepared. It's like having a grooming kit and toolbox in one. Keep your EDC gear safe and organized with the Rovivon RX10 tool case. Made from durable, BPA-free PC with Sudoku foam sponge for shockproof protection, it's perfect for storing flashlights, knives, pens, or other small tools. At 6, multiplied by 3, x 1.45 inches and 4.048 ounces, it's portable for hiking, travel, or daily use. Customers love its water resistance, thick padding, and great value, with one reviewer calling it perfect for a meshtastic build. This case is a must for keeping your gear in top shape. The Chivivi Pyrus Mini is a designer EDC knife that's as fun as it is functional. Its Swedish 14C 28N blade is razor sharp for cutting ropes, tags, or sharpening pencils, and the Ring G10 handle is perfect for fidgeting while providing a secure grip. The double detent slip joint ensures smooth, reliable operation, and its compact size fits in your 5th jeans pocket. Customers rave about its sharpness and quality, though some wish it had a stronger lock. Perfect for camping, fishing, or everyday carry, this knife is a stylish addition to any EDC setup. The Light Femizer 1 keychain flashlight is a tiny titan that punches way above its weight. At just 4.5 grams with a 50,000-hour LED, it's powered by 3 LR41 batteries for up to 40 to 50 hours of low brightness light. Its convex optical lens and IPX6 waterproof rating make it ideal for hiking, reading, or emergencies. Customers love its durability, with one user saying it's been going strong for months without a battery change. Rotate to turn it on, and you've got reliable light whenever you need it. The Wubin E7 is a pocket-sized beast that cranks out 1800 lumens with a 175 degrees ultra-wide floodlight. With 6 modes, including high, low, super bright, strobe, SOS, and a lock feature, it's ready for any situation from camping to emergencies. Its IP68 waterproof body and magnetic base make it versatile, and the 1100 mAh battery charges in just 1.5 hours. Clip it to your pocket, attach it to your gear, or use it as a headlamp. This flashlight is an EDC game changer. These USB mini LED lanterns are the ultimate portable lights. At 11 grams and 250 lumens, they offer high, low, and red flashing modes for up to 50 hours of use. The 360-degree light eliminates blind spots, and the magnetic attachment sticks to metal surfaces for hands-free use. With a waterproof cover and shock-resistant design, they're perfect for camping, hiking, or home emergencies. You get 2 in a pack, complete with charging cables and key holders, so you're always prepared. Don't let its size fool you. The small pocket knife is a tiny titan. At 1.69 inches and 0.17 ounces, it's made of 100% titanium for unmatched durability and style. The sharp blade tackles small tasks like opening packages or cutting tags, and customers love its nifty design. It's perfect for EDC or emergencies, though some note it opens a bit too easily. This is a killer stocking stuffer for anyone who loves compact, high-quality gear. Wrapping up with the small keychain knife, a sleek, USB-shaped tool that's all business. At 1.7 inches and 0.22 ounces, its stainless steel blade and push-push switch deliver a secure 0.8-inch cutting surface. The snap-on lock keeps it stable, and it's perfect for opening packages, cutting rope, or small tasks. Hang it on your backpack or keychain for instant access. With its premium matte texture, this is a stylish, practical gift for any EDC enthusiast. And there you have it, folks, 25 of the coolest, most practical Amazon EDC gadgets to supercharge your everyday carry. From razor-sharp knives to powerful flashlights and versatile multi-tools, this lineup has it all. Which one's going on your wish list? Drop it in the comments below, smash that like button, and subscribe for more gear reviews and EDC tips. Don't forget to check the Amazon links in the description to grab these gadgets for yourself. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next adventure.